Hi, and welcome back to Down the Shed with me, Jason. So this is just a quick bit of fun. So we've got a nice big ass white LED there that came in as part of this torch kit. We're not going to make the torch kit. I've just stolen the practice side of the board and the LED. We've got a 10k variable resistor, which I've again stolen from elsewhere. And just a little micro switch, which I've got a whole bunch of in the cupboard. So underneath you'll see, there we go, the 4 pins of the switch, the 3 of the variable resistor, and the 2 of the LED. The anode's on the inside, the cathode long leg positive is on the outside, so I know that the positive is on the outside. So let's just get these few bits soldered down quickly. There we go. Not too happy with this solder, the way this is, possibly it's even a soldering tip. That looks alright. It's a bit better. Get negative, or the ground, whatever you want to refer to it as. That's that done. Let's trim those down. Right, now we need to add some little wires. So I've got a few little ones knocking around, I had. So we want to go from battery positive connect battery pos to LED pos. Just get a bit of, see if we can get a bit of tinning going on with that wire. That's nearly in. There we go. Let's go battery minus to the switch first. So we use the same bit of wire. Battery minus, I know we're using the same colour bit of wire. I have got other colours knocking around, black or somewhere. Trying to find bits of wire that aren't useful, like those. So let's get that wired over to the negative. It doesn't need to be very long at all. Probably just melt that off with this heat gun, soldering iron. It's going to be an awkward one. I think it's actually solid cable, not strands. What's making it so much more awkward. That'll just take a bit of solder. That'll do. Okay, that's connected. So we've got battery negative going to switch, battery positive going to LED positive. So the LED negative now wants to go to the variable resistor, and then resistor back to switch. Go Good boy. Good boy. You on guard? You good boy. Good dog. We'll just heat that out a little bit. Strip that off. Oh, you farted, mate. Oh well. Looks like the whole bit of oh, it is stranded. Right, we've sorted out the cable, so it doesn't really matter if it's unprotected. It's just gonna be a temporary little project anyway. Bit of fun, bit of DIY. There we go. Just a little bit of this and that knocking around made into a spare parts kit, so to speak. Now we do the other, one of the other two terminals from the variable resistor. I'm going to go with the right one. So down is off and full, or clockwise, all the way clockwise is on, I'm guessing. Not going to be definite on that. That's on, so the other end is going to go to the switch. And then we should have a little homemade circuit that we've just knocked up. That should have it. Yep, that's got it. So hopefully now, when we put some batteries in this, turn that off. Now hopefully you should be able to see a little bit of light in there. And if I find a little tiny screwdriver. Right, so hopefully now, oh shit, my thumb's in the way. So there we have it. So that's our little LED dimmer switch kit that we've just made at home. Oh, I'm going to put that back in. Here we go, we'll dim it down. Minimum. And off, on, off, on. And we'll just twist it to the clockwise. And there we go. One homemade little torch kit. In fact, I might even use that just to see me up the way up the garden later. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.